Good afternoon, Miss and friends. Welcome to our presentation. We are from Group 2. I am Zetriany A.S Helaha and I'll be the first speaker. Our topic is Electronical Tools in Accounting. 1.1 is background of the paper. The writer writes this time because currently there are many accounting programs available on computers. At this time, the task of accountant is not to definite. This is because there is already software that supports them self-performance. This makes tasks very easy. Accounting system developed along with company development, economic growth, employee knowledge level, and use of technology. With the advent of computers, more and more data, company development, economic growth, human research with companies, and the use of various technologies. With the advent of computers, more and more data can be processed in information both and finalists. Data processing can be done either centrally or distributed. However, many facts show that the presence of computers cannot be utilized, optimized by business people. Delays in reporting are still an obstacle faced. In fact, many business people are trapped in information chaos due to their inability to the use of the itself. This will is the personalization, and the word is a lack of the understanding of the process of using the program. 2.1 Information Technology in Accounting. Information technology has become the main support in the development of information system in accounting. Through the use of information technology, accountants can increase efficiency and accuracy in managing financial data and information. Information technology in the development of information system in accounting and provide example that explain the application of information technology in various matters in the field of accounting. Next, 2.2 Information Technology Components. Information technology systems are systems that are formed in connection with the use of information technology. A technological system information basically does not only include physical things such as computer and printers, but also include things that are not visible physically, namely software and more importantly people. In other words, the main components of an information technology system are: number 1 is hardware. Computer hardware is functionally divided into 3 types of device, namely input device. Input equipment or input device is a unit that used to enter data into a computer for processing to produce the required information. Various kinds of input equipment or input device are as follows. Keyboard is the main equipment in a computer, and pointing device such as a mouse, which is useful for pointing desired command quickly or to move cursors to the desired location. Next is process device. The data processing center on a computer is the CPU. CPU in the narrower sense is a processor, where this processor is the brain of the computer that is used for manage all computer activities. Next is output device. Output equipment is a tool used for output the result of our computer processing, and management call it a report or output. Number 2 is software. Software is a computer program command that when execution provides the desired function and performance. Definitions of software as follows: functions as organized of computer work activities and all instructions that lead to it on the computer system. Software bridge use interaction with computer that only understand machine language. Software built based on use request or need. This is very clear in the application software. The last is brainware. People are the users and control of such technology computers, exploring the capabilities of hardware use and software.
My name is Lodiana W Leu. I will continue with material 2.3 about the characteristics of information technology in accounting. Information technology in accounting has the following characteristics. The first, carry out the required tasks. Companies are required to maintain records of their activities. Management must implement an accounting information system as a way to achieve and maintain control. The second, stick to relatively standard procedures. Regulation and practice escaped by the company and determine how data processing is carried out. The third, handle detailed data. The available data must be complete and detailed, making it easier to handle and find solutions if problem arise. The fourth, historically focused. Data collected by accounting information system generally explains what happened in the past. The fifth, provides minimal troubleshooting information. The accounting information system produces some of the information's output for company management, such as loss or profit reports. Next, we will go into material 3.1 about what is the impact of technology developments on accounting. So friends, every organization certainly needs information to make effective decisions. But to begin big profit and avoid internal losses. For the reasons, organization needed to determine the decisions that must be taken, the type of information needed, and how to collect and process that data to produce this information. Modern information technology such as ERP systems, the internet, and intranet has a major impact of supporting the decisions making process. Using application programs also provided the advantage of planning, changing, and deleting data more easily. For example, consider a retail company that wants to decide whether they should open new branches in a particular region. To make the right decisions, they need to gather information such as market potential in the area, existing competition, local economic conditions, and other factors that may affect the performance of the new brands. They can use modern information technology such as ERP systems to access real-time sales and inventory data, as well as the internet to search for information about market trends and competitor analysis. With the information gathered, they can process the data to analyze the potential benefit and risk associated with opening a new branch. Additionally, by using the right planning application, they can easily plan new branch location, change strategies if necessary, and eliminate ineffective plans. Thus, modern information technology and the use of application programs help companies make better and more efficient decisions.
I be presenter third. I will explain about 3.2. What are the strengths and weaknesses for a company or organizational who uses the accounting technology. Advantages of accounting technology. An accounting system in a company that is supported by information technology has the following advantages. Number 1, fast data processing. Number 2, has a high level or information accuracy. Number 3, human resources efficiency. And number 4 is of access to information. Fast data processing. Accounting technology can process data at high speed so that it can provide analysis result or information in a short time. Number 2 is has a high level of information accuracy. Accurate information is information that is full of certainty, that is in accordance with the purpose of data processing, that is not biased or does not contain errors. Information that will be used as a reference in making decisions or making organizational policies must be accurate so that impact can be felt from the product of the decision or policies. Texts that are correct or do not result in wrong decision or policies. Number 3, human resources efficiency. A manual accounting information system with a large amount of transaction data will require more personnel to carry out tasks as data processor. There are journal recording officer, internal audit officer, healthcare officer, adjustment officer, and even financial report preparation officer. In a computer-based accounting information system, only one system operator is needed whose job is to enter transaction data. The rest of the data processing is done automatically. Number 4 is ease of access to information. Ease of access to information refers to extent to which information can be easily obtained and accessed by users. Additionally, there are weaknesses in accounting technology. The first is there is misuse of the technology, and the second is service mistakes. The first is there is misuse of technology. One of the misuse of technology is the use of technology. Therefore, there certainly regarding its need. Many organizations introduce database technology without clearly defining the need for the technology. Experience show that early adopters or new users of a new technology often consume quite a large amount of resources while learning how to use the new technology. The second is service mistakes. Chain errors are a domino effect of errors throughout the application system. An error in one part of the program of our application will result in a second error, even though it is unrelated in another part of the application. This second mistake can result in a third mistake and so on. The risk of chain errors is often associated with implementing changes to application system.
Next, cases and solution. Currently, the problems faced by PTXYS office equipment inventory is still poorly organized and there is no reporting on stationery usage. With the system, problems that previously were less organized, there was no accurate inventory information, delays in making reports can be resolved. Solution: overcome existing problems. Implement a system for presenting office stationery inventory information using the classic life cycle or CLC method, where information about office stationery inventory can be accessed directly and when needed. The management section will provide stationary inventory system facilities office required. The system can help optimize work that has been running previously in a more systematic and organized manner. The switch of the CLC method in application to the ATK inventory system shown in figure 1 are explained as follows. A. Analysis. Analysts and collect the needs to be built and the data needed in this research, including user data, categories and item data. B. Design. Create input and output designs using ERD and DFD and mapping tables used in the system, which will then be implemented. C. Coding. Implementing a system design into a program by converting the design results in the source code. D. Testing. Testing is carried out on the ATK inventory system to determine whether the system is running according to expectations or not, and the testing function is to determine whether there are errors in the system correct or not.
My name is Agnes Peni. As the 50th speaker, from my friends, explanation with recalculation. From the explanation that has been explained, we can conclude that in large combination it is better to use accounting software, because using this can save time, or in other words it is more practical. However, for combinations that are just starting out, it is recommended that they use tailor-made service so that the software they are the matches the type and system they want. And we need to realize the development of science, especially in information and communication technology, plays a very important role in the world of education and business. One of development in information technology in the business where the income lies in the business where abroad is computer accounting application. But unfortunately, this information technology is still common in the business world in Indonesia. That's all our group conclusion. Thank you.